Improve your Wikibase with faceted search. Find Wikibase items by their item type or by their statement values. Combine structured search with full-text search. These capabilities are provided by Wikibase Faceted Search, a free and open-source MediaWiki extension. Wikibase Faceted Search allows non-technical users to explore the data in your wiki by filtering search results. In this video, you will learn what the extension can do for you, how to install it, and how to configure it. I am Jeroen De Dauw, one of the creators of Wikibase and CEO of Professional Wiki. Professional Wiki created Wikibase Faceted Search for the Zuse Institute Berlin and the MaRDI portal. Wikibase Faceted Search enhances MediaWiki's standard search page. You can filter based on item type via the tabs added by the extension. On this wiki, those item types are person, publication, dataset, and software. Once you select an item type, facets for further filtering appear on the right-hand side of the page. These facets filter search results based on statement values. As a wiki administrator, you can configure which item types should have tabs and which facets should be present. This can be done via the OnWiki configuration UI. We will have a look at this UI in a moment. Range facets, like the publication date facet we see here, allow you to restrict results based on numerical or date statements. For example, we can restrict the publications to those published after the year 2000. We can also restrict publications to those published between 2000 and 2010. Via list facets, you can filter search results to those with a specific value for the facets property. For example, you can view all publications with a specific author. Available authors are listed by the number of their publications that match the current search filters. You can easily find multi-author publications or show all publications with any of the authors that you selected. You can also find publications that do not have any author or mainly constrain search results to those with at least one author. Wikibase Faceted Search supports combining full-text search and structured search. This is especially useful on wikis like this one, which use so-called display pages. These display pages show the information from a Wikibase item in a more user-friendly format. For instance, this publication shows the information from this corresponding Wikibase item. The full-text search considers all the rendered text on the display page, while the facets filter based on the information from the Wikibase item. This capability is unique and cannot be achieved by stock Wikibase Elastic queries or via Sparkle or Blazecraft. Users with sufficient privileges will see a link to the configuration page right from the search page. The configuration UI is the recommended way to configure Wikibase Faceted Search. It is an alternative to the classical MediaWiki PHP configuration approach. You can still configure the extension via PHP in local settings, and you can optionally disable the configuration page. The configuration page is self-documenting, and some general instructions are available on the linked documentation page, which is also linked from the video description. You can configure which item types should have tabs on the search page, and for each item type, you can configure the icon and you can configure a label, which can also be internationalized. You can also configure which properties should have facets, and you can configure those facets. The list of properties with facets can differ between the item types. For list facets, you can also specify the default approach that should be used to combine values, and you can hide the dropdown with the different options altogether. See the extensions documentation for a comprehensive overview of capabilities and detailed configuration instructions. Wikibase Faceted Search is free and open source software. It requires Wikibase, Elasticsearch, and MediaWiki 1.43 or later. You can install Wikibase Faceted Search on your wiki by following the installation instructions in the documentation. Link in the video description. Alternatively, you can get started quickly via Wikibase hosting managed by Professional Wiki. Hosting at Professional Wiki gives you access to nearly 100 extensions, including a dozen Wikibase extensions. Customize your wiki via the no-code admin panel, all without having to install Elasticsearch, wrangle extensions, deal with upgrades, or waste time on technical matters. Professional Wiki created Wikibase Faceted Search and many other popular open-source Wikibase extensions, including Automated Values, Wikibase Local Media, and Wikibase EDTF. We are the leading Wikibase consultants with unmatched technical expertise, as evidenced by our public portfolio. Do you need customizations or additional capabilities for your wiki? Get high-quality results quickly and reliably by leveraging our experts. We provide both open source and closed source software development services, as well as all types of Wikibase consulting, from high-level strategic advice to configuring single sign-on. For more Wikibase extensions, check out our other videos or our list of top Wikibase extensions linked from the video description.